BakerySwap NFT is an innovative decentralized marketplace built on Binance Smart Chain that lets users mint, buy, sell, and trade NFTs. The platform is designed with a focus on ease of use and community participation, enabling artists and creators to share their work and connect with a growing audience. From unique digital art pieces to game assets, BakerySwap has become one of the go-to NFT platforms in the BSC ecosystem. You can create your own NFT collection, manage your listings, and even engage with the community through various features that are designed to reward both buyers and sellers. The interface is simple, so even newcomers can easily get started. If you're a digital artist or collector, BakerySwap offers a seamless experience for listing and exploring NFTs. Users can filter listings by category, such as art, games, or collectibles, ensuring that you can quickly find what you're interested in. The platform also supports direct wallet integration, so you can link your MetaMask or Binance Chain wallet, enabling instant transactions. Another cool feature is the staking mechanism for BakerySwap users, where you can earn rewards in the form of $BAKE tokens by staking your NFTs or liquidity. These rewards give you the opportunity to increase your holdings while participating in the BakerySwap ecosystem. The $BAKE token is essential for the platform and plays a central role in governance, as it allows holders to vote on proposals and decisions that shape the future of the platform. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. As you explore the BakerySwap marketplace, you'll also see its active community engagement. BakerySwap provides creators with the opportunity to promote their collections through contests, giveaways, and featured artist sections. The ecosystem is dynamic, and it allows for active participation from both artists and collectors alike. Whether you're looking to buy a rare collectible or mint your own NFT, BakerySwap makes the process straightforward and enjoyable. In addition to trading NFTs, BakerySwap supports liquidity pools, where users can provide liquidity in exchange for rewards. This adds another layer of opportunity for those who want to make the most of their crypto assets while participating in the broader DeFi space. BakerySwap is continuously evolving, adding new features and tools that benefit its users, from beginners to experienced NFT traders. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button if you found this video helpful.